Let me ask on these three tools that we're talking
Yeah.
about. Aphonic, which you started using in 2014. It cleans up audio, removes background noise and sound levels. Crisp.ai, you started using in 2018 when it's horrible, and then they fixed it after COVID. And now it's pretty good at blocking background noise, and you use it ahead of time. And third, Adobe Enhance, which sounds like an extra charge. What is the approximate cost? Is it at the time that we're recording this episode, and maybe somebody is listening to it, and it's 10 years past or something? What's the approximate cost of Aphonic, Crisp, and Adobe Enhance?
So Aphonic, every single month, your first 2 hours are free. So if you're processing less than 2 hours of audio, you don't have to pay for it. It's a sliding scale after that. Like, you pay on a per credit basis, but it's not crazy expensive. I think maybe we pay $10, $20 a month max. But for a lot of people out there, if they're running one show and they're brand new, like 2 hours is likely going to solve their problem, which you get for free every single month.
Yeah.
At Chris.ai, I don't know what their current pricing is, and I will tell you why. I was an early adopter, and I jumped into one of those like pay us now and never pay for our product again offers. So I think I paid I locked in at a rate that was like $6 or $8 a month. I don't think it's much more than $10 a month now, but it's like I'm locked in at a much lower rate because in the beginning they were trying to get people on board to basically have enough viable people to launch a product. When you look at Adobe Enhance,
it looks like it goes from 5 to 40 right now.
Okay, there we go.
I pulled it up while you were mentioning that.
And I think it's based on the amount of time that you use, right? Like, so if you don't use a lot of time, it's not going to be as expensive. I think I pay $8 a month for unlimited. So but once again, it's an offer that doesn't really exist anymore. The Enhance product, you have to have access to Adobe Suite. And I don't know if we're on the current pricing or old pricing. So I think, because a lot of these products, if you've been with them for a while, they'll lock you in at older pricing. I pay $57 per seat per month. Per seat means like per user on our account. I don't know what it currently is now, but basically we have access to all the Creative Cloud tools. That's like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Adobe Audition, and also that Enhance product.
Okay, sweet. I like it. Well, let's jump off. I think that the listeners got a ton of value on streamlining some of their editing, making it a little cost effective compared to before, and making it easier to sound professional.